Hello guys and welcome to the vlog. I'm here to tell you some good news. Good news for me, not good news for anybody else. Nobody else is going to care one little bit. But I have got my first ever paid ad on Instagram. I say that, touch wood, it actually happens. It's not happened yet, but I've had the confirmation and things like that through. So I am buzzing. Today is Tuesday, I've not got anything on until Friday. I'm going to Fired Dough Pizzas. They are doing a launch night on Friday, so I don't know what that's going to be like. I don't know if it's going to be like a pure socialising event, and if that is the case I will not be vlogging, or if it's just going to be like a kind of more chilled sitting eating type thing, and if that is the case I probably will vlog. It is Friday night, we have just been to the Fired Dough Pizza launch night. We were incredibly late, which was so embarrassing. Just in time for food, so not too late, but yeah. It was nice. It was a big, like, social, big, long table. So absolutely zero chance I was getting this camera out. And then we got some cake, and yeah, it was good. I got my nails done. You should have seen the absolute state of them when I left the shop. And of course I said, oh, they're great, thanks so much. They were horrendous. I've never, like, they were so bad. So I spent an hour at home with a file, and they're already hurting, like not hurting, but just when you, it's like they're heavy. So I think this will be the last time I get my nails done. I've redone my nails, I filed them again this morning. So I'm finally happy with them after 2 hours worth of filing. We have just been to film my ad. I had to film in Scotland and got told off for filming. I was told it was what, against the Data Protection Act, and that I should have signed in to film in Scotland. And then I couldn't open the freezer, and then I dropped the price tag bit on the floor. So not very successful, but got the job done. Now we're going to make some breakfast. What are you going to have?
A couple of rolls.
What on them?
Soy sausage.
On both? You have an egg?
Maybe.
Are you having an egg?
No.
What?
I don't know.
Well, decide. I'm going to make it.
Decide, is it?
So you just going to make your own? You don't want any egg?
Aye, egg.
We are at Tigerlily for their Guinness cocktails. They have espresso so there's a Guinness espresso martini, a Guinness bramble, and a Guinness margarita. I don't like espresso martini, so I don't think I'll get that. But I'll try the other two. And then we need to choose one. Once we've done that. Right, we have baby Guinness, margarita, cornstarch martini, and bramble, so you can have this. To have the, it's obviously edible. There's like wee Guinness labels on. Oh, just kind of round up. That'd be that. This is nice. I'm trying to think what's... So the margarita, it's tequila, Guinness syrup, orange and lime. So it's not like Guinnessy. Is that Guinnessy?
It's just espresso martini. Espresso martini.
What do you mean tinny?
Sometimes sweet espresso martini.
Mark doesn't like margaritas. Salt round the rim.
Oh, sling them like that.
Salt. That one's got... That's Johnny Walker. What's that? Is that whiskey? Because a bramble's normally gin. Oh, that is nice. We have a bloody feast. Prawns. That's the onion bhaji things, or the sweet potato bhajis, skewers, bao buns, chips, and some bread. Oh, they're nice. Very nice. Right, don't judge the portion size because got a bit carried away, but is that not the best breakfast you've ever seen in your life? Look at that scrambled egg and that crispy bacon. I mean, was there a need for 4 bits of bacon and 4 eggs? Probably not, but that looks bloody delightful. Today is Valentine's Day and we have my nephew for a sleepover, making a matcha to go in my wee Smeg cup. Was going to buy one in Starbucks when we go to the Gyle, but I thought no, let's be... Oh, I've only got 1 ice cube. Let's be responsible and just take one with us. I'd also like to point out that I did not eat all that egg. It was a bit much. Ow! You know when you catch your acrylic? Straw. Mix, 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 mix. Good to go. Careful up there. Right. Do you want to pour it in? Right, you hold. No, no, it's not for eating. We need to make it first. Right, you hold the bag and pour it into the bowl. What? No, just do that. Pour it all in. Good job. Again, you hold it. Put it in. Good job. Well done. Right. Right, don't touch it. Right, what do we need? We need water. We put them on at the end. Oh, jeez. Ew. Tell Uncle Mark we need another wipe. Good job. Pour, but not all. Not them all. That's it? Are we drop more? Right, don't, hands down, keep your hands down, this is hot. Yeah, it's hot. That's butter. Melted butter, yeah. Now we need to mix it. You want to mix it with the spoon? Oh. Right, well Auntie Lee, try and sort it. Yeah, you do it now. Yeah, it's turning green. That's not great because Uncle Mark doesn't like green. Good job. Right, you try. Oh.
That takes yellow.
Right, no, keep it in the bowl.
Good.
That looks good, doesn't it? You stay up there.
No.
Why?
I don't want to see a coal mine.
You're not finished making his cookie though.
Yes, it's cute.
Alright.
I come
Now, careful. So, hold my hand. Flatten it out.
Trying to out of the way.
Mm-hmm.
And bring it for me.
What?
And bring it to him.
I need to put it in the oven first. We need to cook it. Do you want to put some sprinkles on it now?
This.
You can decorate it. Right, you take them and put it on it. Gentle though, get right. Spread it about. Our lovely sprinkle cookie. Anyone want to take a wild guess as to what's just happened to me? Stood shite. Again.
And number 60, Blair Spittle. Number 19, Elton Kavangu. Number 21 is James Wilson.
We are off to the launch of, well, relaunch, Kebabish. Cool.
Anyone at all? Short round table at the table. Have you all got it? Say stop whenever you like. Put a face down. It makes it a lot easier when I say it. Anybody who watches and make it jump to the top, hold your two hands out. I'm going to place the card here. Was it a half? Was it the 6 of us? Sorry, was it the 3 of us? What was it? Check it out.
This is all very extra. We have a saxophone player. Where did he go? Oh, there. Woo! Oh, it's on you. Hello and welcome. Why was I saying welcome to the vlog? I'm trying to think of the last thing I filmed. Kebabish. That was good. Just now we are going to the boathouse again because they have like a deal on that's like, I think it's Thursdays and Fridays, Tuesdays, Thursdays and Fridays. Tuesdays it's all day. Thursdays and Fridays it is until 5 o'clock. And I was like, oh perfect, because I finish early on a Friday. So we'll go on Friday. So me, Mark, my mum and dad are going to the boathouse. And then tonight I'm going to the cinema to see Bridget Jones.
Good standard. It's so thick too, it's no.
Say hi to the vlog.
God, here we go.
Say hi to the vlog. No? Not saying hi?
Right, well, the last night
What?
I'm sitting watching one forgot one of the old series.
Alright, we're going to see.
Probably the for Mark.
It's a message, is Dad sleeping? At 10 past 10.
Oh! Mark fell. I didn't get that.
Oh, do it again, Mark.
Oh, I'm gutted. He fell up the stairs. Right, Mum. What? I don't know. He says that we were going to fall.
Steps are all either.
Don't blame the steps. You need to update the vlog. How was it?
Fantastic.
Mum?
Very, very good.
Mark? Lovely. We're this way. Right, I'll
See you later on, Mark.
come and get you, Mum. Right. Bye. I think Ollie's scared of your big stick. Right. He's scared of your big stick. Jesus! We'll get another one. That's a wee one. Get that one. Right, just leave that. There you go. Ollie's waiting on you. Hello. Oh, what was the last thing I vlogged? Boathouse yesterday. That was fab. Oh yeah, and then I went to see Bridget Jones and I fell asleep. Ignore these cushions. I honestly cannot wait for that not to not be the bane of my life. Yeah, I went to see Bridget Jones and fell asleep for the first bit. But from what I've seen, what I did get to watch, it was good. Look, throwback. We move out of this flat next week, so I need to start clearing things out. I can't undo this knot. This bag is filled with birthday and Christmas cards, and I'm a bit like, I just don't know why I'm collecting cards. Like, I like the thought of keeping cards from like close family and stuff like that, but why am I doing it? I don't know. So, like, I don't need a card from everybody from every year. Like, maybe just like the last card that I had from people, and then bin the one from the year before or something like that. So I just need to quickly have a. But look, I can't bin that. That needs to stay. This is not good. Look. Is that staying? Right. But oh shite. Now I don't know what year they're from. So I don't even know when the last. Oh my god. I just bin them. This is my card from my granddad. And so I think I'm going to bin them. And then this year I'll keep the last card, and then when it comes to next year I'll bin this year's card. I'm actually crying reading some of these cards. This is why you keep stuff like this. Look, oh, for my granddad again. Oh god, greeting with a snotty nose is not great. Oh, here's a card from Robbie Nielsen. I need to look at my wee memory box, because I got some things that I want to add to it. But I'm like, now do I just put the cards in the memory box? Okay, this is me. This is when I was in the newspaper. That's obviously not me in the front. I mean, it's not really a memory box item, because it's not really a memory of me, but Harry Styles, of course. Photos from Tivoli Gardens. I kind of just slot things in this throughout the year. This is our wee photo book from like our holidays that when we first started going out and that. And then when COVID happened, I kind of forgot all about this, so I've not updated it since then. I don't know why I'm even looking to go through that. What's in this bag? Oh, another bag. Oh, me and Mark on the Coronation Street tour. LOL. Yo sushi course. It's not really a memory box item. Can go in the bin. Look, there's my first pair of shoes. With a rock inside them. This is what my dad got me as a souvenir from Oban. He just found a rock and wrote Oban on it. And a smiley face. Oh, this is when my mum and dad went on holiday and sponsored donkeys for us. Petal the donkey. Wonder if they're still alive. Right, this is my letter from Buckingham Palace. This is when I wrote to the Queen in 2010, so I would have been 13. So people always ask me, like, how old were you when you done that? So 13. Oh, it's both my letters from the Queen actually. The Queen wishes me to write and thank you for your letter. Her Majesty was interested to know that you're a pupil at the Royal High School and thought it was so kind of you to invite her to visit your home for afternoon tea. Although the Queen is unable to accept, Her Majesty greatly appreciated your thoughtfulness. And then asked for a signed photo, but they couldn't give me a signed photo, but they gave me this. This is so cool. Like, so obviously that's when she first became the Queen. And then this was her when like in 2010, like our most up-to-date picture. That was from the Lady in Waiting. And then this was 2012. This was her Diamond Jubilee. I wrote to her, I don't even know what I said to her then. So I got a wee Diamond Jubilee thing. I remember somebody telling me like that they had wrote to the Queen and got a response. And I was like, that's such a cool thing to have. So I didn't just randomly think, you know what, I'm going to write a letter to the Queen. Somebody had planted that seed in my head. So but that's cool. Sitting on the grumpiest face in the whole entire world. Right, I'm totally procrastinating here. I don't know where to start with clearing this bloody place out. Don't know where to start. What do you... Oh no. Do you think I was going to buy it and just not use it? Excuse the washing in the background. Let me get rid of that. Does that mean? Oh yes, it's thin and just in case. Right, we're also filming a TikTok here. We're multitasking. That needs to be done now. They need to go away. This is going to be a dish up my Chinese with me. This is how easy it is. Dish up. Done. I just got a chicken chow mein. That's quite a big dish, right? Cheese. Not hot. Oh, I forgot we got these. We also got barbecue spare ribs. I've not had these in forever.
Oh, Lee, go and eat that somewhere else.
Where do you want me to eat it?
Through there. Wait till you get through.
Why?
Because you eat like an absolute pig.
How? It's because it's a rib. Wait, how many of these?
Aye.
Tell it.
Well, obviously not got off from that.
How
You
is it
just
on
eat
it?
them all like.
Yeah. I fear I bought the wrong. Well, there's no fear about it. I definitely did buy the wrong light bulbs. This room is orange. Anyway, I'm going to end this vlog here. It's been all over the place. Haha! Loser! I can hear you a mile away. I'm not talking to myself, I'm talking to the vlog. Try to scare me. 1-0 lead. I can hear you coming back. So you were. Need to book the tip for tomorrow to take all our kitchen stuff that we're not taking. Mark! I don't know when I'll next be vlogging. Well, I'll vlog some this week and then I don't know when I'll vlog next. But yeah, thank you for watching and sorry it's a bit all over the place. I will try better. I keep saying that I'll try better, but I will.